Hi everyone, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting reviews like this. Today, let's talk about one of the most legendary and exhilarating performance cars on the planet, the Porsche 911 Turbo S. Whether you're a die-hard Porsche enthusiast or just someone who appreciates fine engineering, this car demands attention. It's not just fast, it redefines what usable speed and luxury mean in a sports car. The Porsche 911 Turbo S is the pinnacle of the 911 range, delivering supercar performance with everyday usability. Powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged, flat-six engine, it produces an astonishing 640 horsepower and 590 pounds-ft of torque. What's truly mind-blowing is how that power is delivered instant, smooth, and relentless. It catapults from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.6 seconds, putting it in the same league as some of the world's fastest hypercars. But this isn't just about straight-line speed. The Turbo S shines in its ability to deliver that speed while keeping you completely in control with its all-wheel drive system and rear-wheel steering. The car feels incredibly stable even at high speeds or during hard cornering. Porsche's active suspension management system and dynamic chassis control help the car stay planted, giving the driver supreme confidence. It's not just about grip either. The balance is precise, with every input from the steering wheel feeling direct and natural. Whether you're cruising down the highway or carving through a mountain road, the Turbo S is composed, athletic, and always eager to perform. Despite its incredible performance, the Porsche 911 Turbo S remains one of the few super-fast cars you can actually enjoy daily. The ride quality is surprisingly comfortable, thanks to adaptive dampers and a well-tuned chassis. It doesn't punish you on bumpy roads, and the cabin is quiet enough to have a conversation or listen to your favorite music without interruption. This makes it a truly dual-purpose machine. Thrilling when you want it to be, calm when you don single quotes D. Inside, the Turbo S is exactly what you'd expect from Porsche: minimalist, elegant, and filled with top-tier materials. Leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber are expertly blended throughout the cabin. The seating is superb, with 18-way adjustable sports seats offering comfort for long drives and support for spirited ones. The dashboard is dominated by a 10.9-inch touchscreen display, which controls Porsche's latest infotainment system. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a premium sound system are all part of the package. Everything is crisp, intuitive, and responsive. Porsche has also introduced a fully digital curved gauge cluster in the newer models, replacing most of the analog dials with customizable digital displays. This brings a modern touch to the classic 911 layout. There's also an array of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision assist, and surround view cameras. These features enhance safety without taking away from the raw driving experience. One thing you'll notice is that while the back seats exist, they're more symbolic than functional. They're small, suited for kids or extra luggage, but they do give the 911 Turbo S an edge in practicality compared to many two-seat sports cars. The front trunk adds a decent amount of storage too, making it a viable option for weekend getaways. Now, let's talk about cost. The 911 Turbo S isn't cheap, starting at over $230,000 in the US. It sits firmly in the supercar price bracket. But when you consider what it offers, outrageous speed, luxury, practicality, and rock-solid reliability, it starts to make sense. It's not just a car, it's a complete package that delivers more than just numbers on a spec sheet. And perhaps most importantly, it holds its value extremely well, especially among collectors and enthusiasts. In the end, the Porsche 911 Turbo S is the ultimate evolution of a car that has spent decades refining its formula. It's faster than ever, more comfortable than ever, and still retains that unmistakable 911 character. Few cars manage to blend old-school charm with cutting-edge technology so seamlessly. If you want a car that can dominate a racetrack on Sunday and drive to work on Monday without breaking a sweat, the Turbo S is in a class of its own. It's not just a machine, it's a statement.